Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis for another college in mechanical engineering section in summer semester, winter semester, both combined in master degree for mechanical engineering. In the previous video, we already did the requirement analysis for other college in TU for double degree course, but I am not applying because of that. Because I also did some research, it will be difficult for the people who are applying for the first time, and double degree also usually for the people who have already done one German degree and applying for the second German degree there. Then you should also learn Spanish and English both language. That's the reason I thought it would be waste of time if I show you how to apply for that particular course, because usually the people who will go for that particular course will be less. That's the reason I thought today we will continue with another requirement analysis for mechanical engineering in University of Duisburg-Essen, and I think this university application will be also open, and this is a bilingual course in Duisburg-Essen. So if you have get ready with this particular Duisburg-Essen course, then you can also apply for mechanical engineering, mechatronics, other bilingual courses that are offered in University of Duisburg-Essen. And this will be our episode number 26. Then before we got started with today's video, if you are new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. In the requirement analysis, we just go through the DAT website, check for each particular college, understand the requirements, what are the documents that we need to have, what are the admission requirements that we need to fulfill in order to get into that particular college. Then after that, we also note down the application deadline and wait to apply. After having all this information, we will also wait for the time to come, and when the application deadline is come, then we will also show you how to apply step-by-step procedure too. So these are the information that we usually cover in our requirement analysis in our that website. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session, then I have also told you that I have already opened a page in TopMed. So in this TopMed, you will also get one-on-one session with me for German University application support if you want one, or if you want a package of German application admission shortlisting, then admission review, quick consultation, jobs and CV handlings in Germany after getting admission or after finishing your masters, that is also done. Then priority DMs, digital products like university shortlisting, here we have done for mechanical, but I will also upload for other ones. Then packages will be always there for when you want to get a support for 4 universities, 8 universities as a package, then I can also show you how to apply, or I will also apply for you. So these are the informations or the services that I have available in my website in TopMed account. For this, you can also check in the description for the link, and also it is in our bio of our page. But yeah, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video, Mechanical Engineering in University of Duisburg-Essen. In the overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science. Course location is in Duisburg. Teaching language is in English and German, both, because usually most of the courses mechanical related in Duisburg-Essen is always bilingual, and you need to have B2 level around, finished in German and English both. The language of instruction is half German, half English. That means approximately 50% of the course is taught in German and 50% is taught in English. That is as usual, understandable. The language of examination is also same in the language which you have taken. So if you are taking a course in German, then the exam will be also in German. That's the reason they will ask you to finish until B2. But if you are applying with the A2, A1, B1, if you don't have B2, then you will get a conditional admit. After getting a conditional admit, you can come here, do until 6 months, finish your German, then start your courses. So that is also possible. Then program duration is 4 semester, part-time, full-time. Only part-time of full-time is available. Beginning of semester is both in winter and summer semester. Additional deadline, the regular beginning of winter semester happens in October, and summer semester happens in April, which is normal. Lecture periods of usually starts in October and in February. In summer semester from April to end in July. The semester schedule will take place. However, the might digital courses and particular hybrid courses offering in e-learning opportunities where recorded sessions will be always there. You can also look into it. The more information can be found in this particular link about other courses and online learning and other stuffs. But for us, the main thing would be application deadline. So from May 1st to 31st July is for winter semester, and we have ample amount of time the application to open at the May 1st. So we are still in April. When this is open, I will also show you how to apply. And for summer semester, it will be from 1st November until 31st January. So before May 1st, please get ready with the requirements that I say, then I will show you how to apply, then you guys can also apply. Tuition fees is none. Combined degree is also not possible. Joint degree is possible, but yeah, Then the description and content of the course is written here. You can also go through, or you can also check in course detail where you will get the 120 ECTS, how it is divided. So all master degree program follow the same structure in core subject, advanced and profile subjects and elective subjects for up to 90 credit points. Then at last for your 30 credit points you will do your master thesis. That's how it is divided in most of the courses, in all courses. The mandatory courses or subjects are obliged for all students and provide in-depth knowledge in specific discipline. Say example, in our case it is mechanical engineering. Then the subjects of a profile specific subjects will be in specified area of discipline which we will be choosing. Elective courses will be chosen out of any of the disciplinary engineering, whichever you like. If you want to do it in electrical side, mechanical, computer science, or a programming language, then also you can choose. As it is elective, you can choose in large amount of categories. Then the overall language of instruction in each master degree is 50% English and 50% German. So all the courses are bilingual, so please make sure that you have done B2 before you apply for this. Then a diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree. As soon as you finish the degree, your masters, then you will defend your master thesis successfully. Then you will get your master thesis diploma supplement awarded. International elements, so integrated optional study abroad is there, where you can also go as an Erasmus student for an internship in other European nations, which are partner companies or partner colleges from Duisburg-Essen. Description and international elements. The international orientation relays by lectures offered German and English half by half. Then strong relation with the international partner university, as I said, living and studying in a multicultural environment. Then integrated study abroad units. So students who have obtained their qualification at a German speaking institution must provide a proof of study abroad with their bachelor degree program. For all the students, study abroad is optional. So usually for us, studying in Germany is already a study abroad, but if you want to go and have a course in study abroad, then you can also do it, but it is also not mandatory because it is an optional thing. German specific integrated German course is there, yes, because people who have done A2, say example, who got a conditional admit after coming here, then they have to go through the German course, then finish the B2 as the requirement says, then starts the study. So for both German and English, both the course specific integrated courses are there, so please take care. Then cost and funding, there is no tuition fees because it is free, and you will be have to paying the semester contribution of 350 euros. With this 350 euros, you will get either Deutschland ticket or NRW ticket. As of now, the Deutschland ticket is running, so that means you can get a Deutschland ticket in 350 euros for 6 months, and in 6 months you can travel entire Germany without any additional ticket, only in regional ones. And cost of living in Duisburg-Essen is estimated up to 1200. Duisburg-Essen is in the center. I would say, why I say center, because in like 20 minutes you can reach Essen, in 20 minutes you can reach Düsseldorf and other things. It's also in the near, and also it's in NRW state, which is also good for your public transportation. But yeah, this the cost of living that they are saying, but it majorly depends upon person to person. You can live above it, below it, but it doesn't matter for the first year, because for the first year you will be anyway blocking your amount, and that particular blocked account for the first year will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. So if you can live under it, then it's good. If you want to live above it, then you have to look for a part-time job. Because why I say look for a part-time job is because when you look for a part-time job for the next year, when you want to get a visa extension, then you can also show your part-time job opportunities or the saved money that you have got or your contracts to get your visa extended. Funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity available. Requirements and registration. In order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to fulfill? You need to have a bachelor degree in appropriate subject area, which is mechanical engineering. Appropriate is mechanical engineering or industrial engineering, any closely related mechanical engineering courses, with the adequate length of studies with the average mark of at least 2.5 issued in German university or foreign abroad. So 2.5 is almost 7.5, 7.4 aroundish. If you have a CGP around that, then it's good, because the CGPA is considerably low. Why? Because it's a bilingual course and you need to have this particular language requirement. Why? Most of the people doesn't have this, so that's the reason they have also reduced the CGPA. What is the language requirement? When enrolling that they are saying, the application must prove that they have got a German and English language according to B2 level CFER. So When enrolling means when the time when you want to enroll for this particular winter semester or summer semester, whenever the time, then you need to have B2 before you enroll. But in order to get an admission, because most of my friends also studied in the same course, so in same college, they also had B1 or A2 level at the time when they were applying, then you should have at least A2. When you have A2 and B1 at the time of applying, you can apply. Then you will get a conditional admit. You need to, before enroll, you need to either submit B2, or you can get a visa with that conditional admit, come here, do a 6 months, take 6 months of language course, finish B2 fast, then start. But the only major thing is you have to finish B2 before you start your studies. That's the main important thing. Then application deadline from 1st May to 31st July for winter semester, and 1st November to 31st January for summer semester. And we directly apply in their application portal, which is straightforward. And in services, as soon as you get a visa, a student visa is done, then you will apply, and with that you will get your admission letter, apply for student visa, get the student visa. At the same time, as soon as you get an admission, you will also apply for accommodation in student and work, which you will get it for 350 to 500 euros per month, which will be usually very cheap. If you fail to get in student accommodation, then it will be very much difficult to find in private accommodations. Career advisory service will be always there in all college, where they will help for your job market. You check your CV, look for the part-time job, what are the types of part-time jobs that you can look in that particular course, college, and other things. Usually it will be divided into technical jobs and non-technical jobs. In the technical jobs, you can usually work as a work student, internship, HEV, etc. But in non-technical jobs, you can always work as in restaurants and other things. Then support for international students, there will be always welcome event, tutor, cultural and linguistic preparation. General service supports will be always there as an international centrum in TU Duisburg. But yeah, that's the thing I just wanted to mention you guys as a episode number 26 for mechanical engineering in University of Duisburg-Essen. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Then you already know the next upcoming 2 videos what I will be showing. When the application deadline is open, it will be mechanical engineering Duisburg-Essen. But the next video will be always for other requirement analysis, because we are still in April, the application is not yet started. But yeah, see you in next videos. Until then, take care, bye bye.